Welcome to the Windows Computer and Technology channel, and it is official. Microsoft today made the announcement that the Copilot will be actually going to Windows 10 in the coming months. Now they are going to start with the business side with a insider preview for business. Then they'll move it to home and pro editions. And one of the things that will give it early to those that want to test it if you wish. Remember that when you go to your Windows updates in Windows 10, here I'm showing it in Windows 11, but it's also available in Windows 10. In the Windows update, you have a switch that says get the latest updates as soon as they're available. If that is on for you, that will give you Copilot earlier than the general users of Windows 10. If you don't wish to have it as early, well, you can remove that if it's on already. And so it's going to appear sometime in 2024 for Windows 10 operating systems, and will look something like this when you actually have a Windows 10 machine. This is a picture that comes from Microsoft itself. So this is the Copilot will be there directly and available on your PC with, if you notice, new icon, new colorful icon, which is actually very nice. So is it going to be a positive thing or not? That's, a question. Of course, there's always the possibility to just ignore it and remove it from the taskbar, as it will probably show up on the taskbar like it does on Windows 11. So Copilot coming soon to a Windows 10 machine near you, and it's going to start with the Windows Insider builds. So if you're on the Windows Insider release preview, in the coming months, it should show up at some point. And Microsoft wanted to add today that they still have a end date for Windows 10 to be October 2025. Still no decision and nothing about an extension or not of the support date for Windows 10. So if you're a Windows 10 user, what do you think about Copilot coming to Windows 10? Is it a good thing or a bad thing? What do you think? And is it a sign that maybe Microsoft will extend the support to Windows 10? If we enjoy our videos, please subscribe, give us thumbs up. Thank you for watching.